Welcome to our guide on selling Canva templates with PayPal. Learn how to turn your designs into digital products seamlessly. If you are a creator wondering how to get paid without building a complex e-commerce site, you are in the right place.
Another invoice? Shopify, StanStore, Gumroad. I am drowning in subscriptions.
Forget the headache of third-party storefronts. We are simplifying digital sales for creators.
Fast, smooth, and completely automated.
Now you can connect Canva and PayPal, add a Buy Now button, and a secure QR code. Customers just scan, tap, and pay. It is that fast and simple.
Integration lets you generate payment links or QR codes directly within your workspace. Why choose this integration? It is built specifically to save you time and maximize your margins. Absolutely no coding is required. It is a straightforward, non-technical solution for every creator. There are no monthly subscription fees, which means more money stays in your pocket with every sale. Your customers get a secure, hosted checkout experience without even needing a PayPal account. Let's walk through the setup process. It only takes a few minutes.
First, create your digital product, flyer, or presentation in Canva. I'm creating this fun, cute coloring books for kids. From left menu, click Apps. Search for Payment Link. To fill out few details. First, product name. Second, price. Please key in your specific info. Name and price are important pieces to showcase on your payment link. Add more options. Here is the item description. Explain what are you offering in your digital product. I'm creating this fun, cute animal printing booklet in Canva. It is a mini book. Parents can print it at home and make a mini book by folding the pages in half. If you like it, the link is in description. We can skip product ID and product quantity for now. Next, you can add your website link if you have one. That's it. Item name, price, and description. Once you enter item name, description, price, and other details under Create option of Payment Links dialog box in Canva Design, scroll down. Click on blue Build button. And right there, Payment Link created. Click Link. Click QR code. Click Embed. And there it is. QR code is in your design. Adjust the position and your design is ready to post on social media. Now it can sell itself. Let's recap these steps. First, create your digital product, like a printable coloring book, journal, planner, or flyers. Click Apps from left bar menu. Type Payment Links in search bar or scroll to Payment Link in your apps if you opened it before. Enter product details.
Within the app panel, enter your product name, description, and price. Click Build to create your checkout page. Paste the link into your buttons or drag a generated QR code onto your design for printed materials. PayPal offers a transparent fee structure, while other platforms may act as a merchant of record with higher costs.
Gumroad charges a flat 10% platform fee, plus 50 cents per transaction on direct sales. PayPal charges 2.99% plus 49 cents per transaction with credit or debit card purchase. On a $10 template sale, you keep significantly more with PayPal's standard online checkout compared to other options.
Remember, Gumroad manages taxes for you, while with PayPal, you will manage your own tax obligation. By bypassing high-fee storefronts, you keep more margin while offering a professional experience. This integration keeps your workflow inside Canva, letting you focus on what you love, designing.
PayPal payment links can help streamline digital product sales. It is quick, easy, and
Streamline
secure.
your checkout process today. Thanks for watching and happy selling.